In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and optimize your search on Facebook Marketplace using insights from Google. This guide is useful for those interested in local and expanded area searches, especially if you're interested in things like buying or selling items, or simply exploring what your community has to offer in an extended area. Let's dive in. The journey begins with our good friend Google. Head over to your favorite web browser and type Facebook Marketplace into your Google search tab. It's often the most straightforward way to land exactly where you want to be, especially if you're new to this marketplace. As you scroll through the results, look for and click the direct link titled Facebook Marketplace. This should take you straight to the home page, preparing you for a world of opportunities and offerings. Once you're comfortably settled into the marketplace, the first thing you'll want to do is refine your search to match the location you're interested in. In our case, we're starting with a specific locale, Zamboanga City. On the Facebook Marketplace homepage, locate the search bar or menu where you can manually set your desired location. If Zamboanga City isn't already specified, you can easily click and type it in. This step ensures that the listings will cater specifically to this hub, giving you the most relevant results. Next, let's talk about refining your search radius, a crucial step if you're hunting for deals or posting items you'd like to sell outside your immediate neighborhood. Here, you'll find different preset search radii options. Initially, you might see an option labeled 65 kilometers. This range is often a default for many users, allowing you to explore a moderately wide boundary from your chosen city center, which is perfect if you want to keep things local while still having some room for discovery. However, to cast an even wider net, especially if you're exploring more options or reaching more potential buyers, there's an option for 500 kilometers. Clicking this will expand your reach significantly, gathering listings from a much broader area. It's a great way to ensure you don't miss out on any hidden gems that could be just outside the typical search radius. Once you've settled on a radius that matches your needs, the final step is to click on Apply. This is essentially your green light, signaling Facebook Marketplace to filter and refresh the results according to your newly set parameters. With these few simple yet essential steps, you've now set yourself up for a tailored exploration within Facebook Marketplace, ranging from the local offerings of Zamboanga City all the way out to opportunities across the extended vicinity. Whether you're buying or selling, this strategy optimizes your ability to connect and engage with a broader audience or find precisely what you're looking for. Happy browsing, and may your Facebook Marketplace adventures be fruitful and fun.